Hello, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we are going to teach you about full outer join. The concept is full outer join. This is what we are going to learn. And before starting the session, I would like to give you an important tip. Like RDBMS, many situations we require to use full outer join. Whereas MySQL, that keyword full outer join or full join will not support. Like see here, full outer join. Similarly, it's an equivalent to full join. These are the keywords. Whereas MySQL will not support and will not recognize what is the keyword it is. Then how we can overcome such situations by using MySQL database as a relational database whenever we are going to be using in our application development environment. Yes, it is possible by combining like a right join as well as left join. By the combination of these two joins and one query we will prepare for right join and one query we will prepare for left join. Making these two result sets union all, the combination by making these two result set a keyword of union all. By putting the union all, we are making complete a unique common result set. Ultimately, what it will do, we'll see. Yeah, by writing the explanation, I'm going to be explaining over here. It's very simple. We'll see here. I'm using here like our Northwind database here, you see. And out of the databases from the left panel, I have chosen Northwind database. From the database, one of the table is select start from customers and select start from orders. These two tables I'm going to using. Our previous lecture, once again you go through it and view, verify it. What is it exactly? What are the columns where we have focused clearly? Right. Let's see. What I would like to tell you here, most of the important thing is making right join statement here first, and once it is completed successfully, I can make it as a left join. Either parts, either left join or right join, you can use it. Is it okay for you? Okay, let's start it. How it is like select star from customers, the table name. All right, as a C, I have a defined here like a alias name I have chosen from the customers table name, and which table I am going to making in a join with either right or left join with the orders table. Right, specify the keyword of left join here, and what is the table name? Orders. As an alias name, I have taken convenient to write whenever I require to use the table name instead of using complete table name. Simplifying the table name by making as an alias name with the name of the instead of complete name, I'm making in a single digit name by referring the table name as in a single digit. From the customers, it is in a C. I have defined here on my SQL statement. Whereas on the orders table, I have a defined here as O. Now let's see here. Once I have a defined the two tables, from the table I have to making it as an by using equal operator to define. These are the table. These are the common columns are matching from these two different tables, right? See, using on keyword over here, and from the customers, C dot customer ID. This is the PHP. This is the PHP my admin. It says that I'm using as like a GUI tool of MySQL access. Whereas many tools are available which you can use it. But IDE nowadays, all the columns, correspondence columns from the table will automatically populated over here. But simply what you need to choose it is just select the column which you are going to be writing over there whenever you require. Right. From here, the customer table I'm choosing as a customer ID. The column, the particular data may be same in the columns from the both tables, whereas may change the column title also. It can be possible. All you have to, what you need to understand it, if you are having a data dictionary and a data structures diagram with you, what is the column, what is the purpose you are, there is a defined in your database table. If it is well and good, the documentation is there. Otherwise, what you need to do is you have to verify it, which the column data is matching or not. If the column data is matching and sufficiently following the data from the table to two table, which you are going to be using to making an joint operations over there, just simply make it as a join statement and write the columns wherever it is required. Now you see clearly, observe what I would like to tell you here. It is from the table customers. I have chosen my column which is the uniquely identified and which is in a set as in a primary key as well. The same key which is representing from orders table, that is the name of the column, is also similarly same. C dot customer ID that equal to O dot customer ID. O, which you know that alias name of orders. Right. Now see what it's going to be now, what I have to write. From these two tables, I'm taking, like instead of star, I'm making from the customers, I'll take in a customer ID from the customers table and a comma, making in a comma of all the columns which we require to customizing and fetching the data from the table as a result set. Let's see here. It is from the order table, any column you can choose. These are the columns from the order table. Any column you choose, it comes. Order table, order ID I'm taking, and one more column I would like to take from the customers, that is in the customer contact person name, customer ID, order ID, and the name of the contact person who is relevant from the customers. These are the columns I'm making using left join. Let's see and highlight the query and execute. Go over here. Wow, you get the data. See, from the 24 rows only, as you know the basic standardization. If you not understand about these IDE properties at all, check our previous lectures. You will have a great idea about it. Right? From the left join, we get it. On the what is left join, we'll see. We have a separate session for it. What is left join? Why we require to use it? All will let you know. Okay. In this session, the basic ideology which is implemented for you, specifically designed for you to full join, like a full outer join, which is not supporting in MySQL, how to overcome this situation in MySQL. Right? See, I'm simplifying like a same query you take it, copy and paste over here. And I'll just simply change the word from left to RIGHT, right join. And in between these two queries, union or that's it. Over, my requirement is over, and what you are going to be thinking about it gets done. I need not to do much more query writing and much more analytical skills. I need not to put over here. Okay, let's see here. Go over there. Yes, I got a result set as what I'll get from full outer join from other databases where full outer join will support. So simplifying, let's see one more time. I'm going to be explain you. I have implemented SQL statement using left join. The The similar statement I have taken a copy of this and making it as a right join, right? And this is the one result set, and this is the one result set I'm capable to getting. And what I'm doing here using a union all, this is the union all. What is? It's unite. All the result set it will unite. We have in a session for this also. Okay. And the union, what is the uniting all the result set with the two output result set and combining, and it's making as an output how full outer join will give as an output. That's it. Similarly, you have to prepare and like a full outer join in MySQL as well. Hopefully you got a good idea about it. Hope you understand. Thank you for watching this session. Thank you.